Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to Fashion Box channel. Viewers, how are you? In today's video I'm going to show you mehndi designs. Beautiful mehndi designs are shown in this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that my every video notification comes first to you and you are the first person who watch my video. Similarly, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up so that it would appreciate my motivation and my effort. I hope you guys enjoy these designs because these designs are useful if you are going in an engagement ceremony, any party, in wedding, in any other occasion. So you can apply this type of mehndi, foot mehndi design, especially it is for bridal mehndi. So I think you guys have not watched such beautiful designs before, so don't skip any part of this video and watch it till end, because every single picture that is used in this video is from latest trends of mehndi designs 2020. These designs are not so much heavy. As you can see, you can also see some veils, some full tikki designs, some ankle mehndi designs like this. A lot of beautiful designs are shown in this video. These are not shown previously in my any video because these designs are latest 2020 designs. You can apply these designs on Eid as well. So viewers, in my channel Fashion Box, you can see a lot of stuff related to fashion from all over the world, including bodycon dresses, lehenga dresses, maxi, Christmas dresses, suits designs, Indian dresses, Pakistani dresses, Patiala shalwar suits, mehndi designs, mehndi dresses, bridal dresses, jackets designs, denim jackets, clocks, watches designs, jewelry designs, gold related all earring designs that are latest, bangles designs, and all many more stuff is shown in my channel Fashion Box. If you have not watched my channel, kindly give it a good look, Fashion Box. And also you can see a lot of brand sale related videos in my channel and reviews about which brand is good and which sale is good for you and how much discount it is offering. Some designs that are shown in this video are fully crowded, some are not so much crowded like this. So viewers, also give me a thumbs up and give me a comment how was my video, how was the designs, and what should be in my next video, and also share it with your friends, family and relatives so that it can help anyone else. I hope that you guys enjoy my video. Stay tuned to my channel for more beautiful fashion related updates from all over the world, and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for till my next video come. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.